how to import KML files into Google Earth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bells to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how to import KML files into Google Earth, whether you're using the Google Earth desktop app or from your mobile device. So let's get started. First things first, open up your Google Earth and then you'll need to head over to the three lines in the top left corner and then you'll be able to see new. Go ahead and tap on it and then you can see import KML file to map project. Just tap on it and then you can import from drive or upload from device. So just tap on where the KML file is located and then choose the folder where you want to import your KML file from. And then that's it. Google Map will load the file and show it on the maps instantly. And it's super quick and easy. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.